Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of innovation as we explore the incredible world of the Arduino development board. Are you a student eager to unlock the power of electronics and coding? Well, you're in for a treat, because Arduino is your gateway to endless possibilities. Arduino is like a digital canvas where you, as a student, get to paint your ideas into reality. It's not just a board, it's your magic wand in the realm of technology. From building smart gadgets to interactive art installations, Arduino empowers you to bring your wildest ideas to life. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius to get started. The Arduino board comes packed with various components, buttons, LEDs, sensors that let you experiment without the hassle of complex wiring. It's like your tech playground. Trust me, your peers will be amazed. So, whether you're dreaming of designing smart homes or revolutionizing healthcare devices, Arduino is your stepping stone. Remember, every great invention starts with a single spark, and Arduino is here to light it up. But hold on, it's not just about LEDs blinking, it's about problem solving, teamwork, and creativity. Arduino teaches you valuable skills that extend beyond the world of electronics. And let's talk about the incredible Arduino community. Online forums, tutorials, and resources are readily available. Stuck on a project? Help is just a click away. Plus, showcasing your Arduino creations at school exhibitions or competitions is a surefire way to stand out and inspire others. Thanks for joining us on this Arduino adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech explorations. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.